Hello everyone, nice to see you again. This is Sublimation from Lopo. Keychain has been in the market for decades. You may wonder why we still make keychain. The product I will show you today, it is not just a keychain. It can also be working as the bottle opener and the charging cable, while all these items are necessary in our daily life. Now let's see what types of materials we have for you. One is the pure leather. It has nice barrel design, very elegant. And the other is the high quality silicone type. Both of them are quite durable, and for each type we have two colors. The leather ones we have brown and black color. For the silicone type we have blue and black color. Each type we have three kinds of interface. This one is Android, this one is Lightning, and this one is Type-C. The three types of interface can be used for almost all the smartphones in the world, even MP3, MP4 player, game console, power bank, laptop, and so on. Fast charging your smartphone by USB connector anytime. Now let me show you how to charge my phone. This is Lightning interface. My phone, plug in. This is USB connector. See, it's charging now. If it sounds amazing, I can't wait to show you more details. Let's check it out. See, it looks like normal leather keychain, but if you pull this part in anti-clockwise direction, when you hear a click sound and then take out, it becomes a charging cable. After charging, how should we put it back? You can see there is a slot here, and inside there is this part. Make sure it fits well and put it on clockwise direction, then down. It's very easy, right? I think everybody can manage it. About the silicone type, it's a little bit different, but easy to handle too. You can see there is a sign here. Press this part, and then pull it a little bit. Then it comes out. Make sure you do it in two different steps. Let me show you again. Press this part, pull it out, and then down. Very easy. At last, but not at least, you may wonder how should we do sublimation. Please do not worry. Each keychain, it would have a high quality metal plate with bottle opener at the back. It's just like normal leather keychain which we are offering, but we noticed that round shape would be the most popular one for personalization, and most people would like to print photos of someone he or she loved. So we made it in round shape with diameter of 3 cm, which is a perfect size for photo design. Now let's do the printing test. We need blank metal insert. And our design, one A4 paper can print 40 designs at one time. For the metal plate, please make sure tear out the protect film when printing, and put it in the right direction. Today we will use 180 degrees 50 seconds medium pressure to print. Okay, cover the Teflon sheet. Close the handle. Okay, time is up. Let's see the printing result. See, the printing result is really good. Then let's stick into the keychain. Tear out the sticker. Done. It's very easy. Aluminum sheet is the best match for sublimation blanks such as mirror, phone case, Christmas ornaments, and so on. It's very easy to print and really high quality. It just takes 50 seconds, and with a 40 by 50 centimeter press, it can print few dozens at one time. It's really a great product for customization. It is in stock for sale now. Please contact our sales for price and arrange samples. Remember, early bird always can find something better to eat. I'm Slimmer. Thanks for watching.